In today's video, I'm going to show you how to place images side by side in Cardit. Whether it's for a portfolio, gallery, or just to improve your website's aesthetics, this simple layout trick makes a big difference. Start by opening your web browser and going to card.ilo.co. Into your account and enter the editor to begin. In the editor, click the plus icon to add an element. Then select Container. This container is what will allow us to structure our images neatly. Once the container appears on your canvas, select it to access its Properties panel. Find the option labeled Type and change it from the default to Columns. This will divide your container into multiple columns. By default, you get 2, but you can adjust as needed. Next, add your images. Click the plus icon inside one of the columns, choose Image, and upload your first image. Repeat this process in the other column to add your second image. You can continue adding more images by increasing the number of columns in your container settings. And just like that, your images are neatly arranged side by side. This method not only organizes your visuals but also gives your page a professional, clean look. You can always tweak column numbers or image sizes to perfect your layout. Enjoy designing your card website with beautifully aligned images and happy creating.